In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically create due dates in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there are several ways to create these due dates in Google Sheets depending on what you need. So now here are the most common methods. So method one is to add a number of days to a start date. So if you have a start date and want the due date to be a certain number of days later, enter the start date. So for example, I've got A2, I've got the 1st 8th 2026. Now in column B2, we want to create this due date after 7 days. So what I've done, I've put in equals A2 plus 7, and that's going to have a due date of 7 days from that start date. Now method number 2 is to use the today for automatic due date. So if you want the due date to be a certain number of days from today, go ahead and select that cell and use this formula, today brackets plus 14, and hit enter, and that's automatically going to set the due date for 14 days from the current date and updates every day.